Hey, if your Galaxy Buds FE keep disconnecting from your device, I'm gonna try to help you. So what you have to do is to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, then click on the settings icon, and now disconnect and forget your earbuds. Now you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, and when you have this green icon right here, if it doesn't have it, just close the case for a few seconds and then open it, and it will light up like this. Then you will have to click and hold on the both sensors gently and wait until this indicator starts blinking a red and a green. Now you can actually release and close the case. Now open it one more time. Right now they are in the pairing mode. So on your phone, just restart the Bluetooth and click to pair new device. Select your Galaxy Buds FE from the list and accept the pairing. And as you can see, now we are connected back, and you can try if it works properly. If this doesn't help you, you can also try to perform the reset of the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So you will have to go into the settings, type reset, and now you will have to find this option to reset Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. You have to remember that on some other smartphones, I'm using the Pixel phone from Google, this might be a little bit different. I mean, the name of this function might be a little bit different, but you will have to basically find the reset Bluetooth options and perform the reset. If it doesn't help you, you can also try the ultimate way to perform the factory reset of your phone. But if this still doesn't help you, I can recommend you to use the warranty of this device and send it back to the shop. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.